Damn. Nitrous Mayhem, hard tire. Gonna do the entire Barbie Jeep race, then do opening ceremonies for the event and run small tire. So the Barbie Jeeps will be done, and then we'll go back in the same order. Modern, our Radial, modern muscle, nitrous, hard tire. Last class will be small tire. There's 19 in small tire. There is 9 in Radial. There's 4 in modern muscle. There's 2 hard tire guys. What we were gonna do, if you all want to, every round, if you all just want to make a pass in hard tire, and then we'll run the finals all together. So you all can at least make, you know, side-by-side passes in hard tire all day until we get to the final, and then that'll be, if you want to.
Ron, you good?
Yeah.
Happy, we're good with that.
Cool with that?
Yep.
Be fun.
Yeah, we're good.
Getting passes.
Yep.
There's 5 in Nitrous Mayhem. And then we've got 13 Barbie Jeeps. For $1,000 bucks, yeah. One big thing we had a discussion about for small.
For 100, Tom back here for 100.
Oh yeah. Got Pro Mod Jeffers.
We suck again!
War had made me very paranoid, and when a man gets the eyeball at me, it makes my Agent Orange act up, and I get the urge to kill.
And Stanley on the juice, but oh, we got him tangled up in there. We got one down.
Oh, we're going to have a winner. Oh, we ain't to the finish line yet.
He's got a winner.
We got us a winner now.
We got a winner. Cameron Arthur trying to get his feet wet. Coming in hot.
Oh, looking good.
Coming in hot. Wow. Oh. Oh, goodness.
I'm getting way the fuck up here, Jimmy.
Whoa.
Oh, shit. Here we go.
Whoa. Unbelievable.
All right, we might need some EMTs over here. We got
Lizzie, are you all right? Lizzie, are you all right? We still have a
We got him.
Izzy.
Hold on, buddy.
Ladies and gentlemen, he's alive.
Holy.
Wow.
Man. Oh, into the wall. Into the wall. Oh, into the wall. Into the wall. We're trying to stop. Woo.
Is Alex
Right on at the finish line.
KD.
Oh.
Then they
Contact
completely
at the
wound
finish
up.
line.
Oh, we're going back-to-back rigs here tonight. Let's see. Oh my goodness, the green one is that inside corner,
Oh,
and
coming
they
in hot,
are
Jamie.
bumper to bumper. Whoa! My goodness,
We're
and
down
we
in
got
the
one in
creek.
the water. We got one in the water, Billy.
Yep.
Side down as they come
hold
both
on.
sides. Neither one of them. Wait a second. He did not cross the finish line. Black Widow coming around the corner. Oh, look out! Oh, he absolutely wads it up.
Black Widow.
He wads it up. He's going to get back on it. He's going to get back on it.
Oh, they're both fighting
we
for
can't
it.
do it. We might have a
They're
pass
both
for the
fighting
finish
for
line.
it.
Oh my goodness, this is as close as it gets. And he pulls it off with one hand. The question is, can he keep it rubber side down? He comes screaming into the finish line.
Oh, damn.
He comes screaming around that inside turn. And he gets, he's going, oh, nice run for Joe Bro. Get set, go. And here they come right now. Mullet Man might have gotten the lead, and we are tangled up like two cats with their tail tied over a clothesline. And it looks like Allen is struggling. Mullet Man is all over the backside of him. He is hanging all over him like a wet pair of blue jeans. Finally, Allen starts to pull away, and he still screws it up. He's got wide open room out front. He can barely negotiate the track at this point, and somehow manages to pull off the ugliest win of Barbie Jeep racing in history. Brian Allen, ladies and gentlemen. Get set. Go! And they're on it. Gravedigger might have the lead.
Here I come. Link shot engaged.
Yeah.
That's a hard one. We got time. Give me that small money, dog. Oh,
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
tight. Yes, motherfucker. I love it.
That race. The party's right there.
We're here left lane, we're here right lane.
Who the hell knows? That's that right there.
Yeah!